Hey, it's Brandon from the Smart Home Company here. I just wanted to do a quick video. One of the questions we get asked a lot is what type of camera systems do you all install? While we've installed a myriad of camera systems over the years and have experience with a lot of different brands, currently we typically prefer the Ubiquiti Unify Protect system. We find it to be one of the most robust systems with a lot of different options for cameras. A really good interface to set up and configure and control the system. It's great for our clients, and it is great for us to help our clients manage. A lot of times our clients want us to help manage that and get everything configured and set up for them, so it makes it easier for them to actually use and interact with the system, but we find it to work very well. And just to give you an idea of what some of those systems, or what you'd be looking at in a system like that. So if we take a look here, they do offer things like a doorbell. So you'll see these common, Ring has popularized the video doorbell, but Unify has their own version of that, which works very well. It also has a bottom camera here for looking at packages. You can place different chimes around the home and setting up notifications. And then when you get into some more of their advanced products, so if we start looking at, various security cameras that work around the home, then we have like their turret style cameras here with the G5 Turret Ultra. We have their smaller PTZ camera, which is a pan tilt zoom camera that has auto tracking on it, which works very well. And then we have some of their more advanced AI cameras that use AI to detect humans, vehicles, license plates, things of that nature. So there's a lot of different options out there for you. So connect with us today so we can actually review those options with you, let you know what these particular cameras do, their functionality, and see if it benefits what you're looking for. So again, connect with us today, and we can't wait to work with you on your next project.